Hi friends, this is Rakesh. So now we are going to see what are the collections framework that are available in Java. And what is a collection? First of all, what is a framework? So if you're writing any program, if suppose that program is can be used by n number of people in a nice way means, then that code would be some framework. If suppose you're writing the same program but it is useful only for your own purpose or for some custom purpose, then that is not a framework. So generally framework allows you the generic functionalities. For example, in math is a framework. In that math dot square root means it just finds square root. Anyone can use it. And then it can be changed using custom user code. If you don't like that implementation, if you need to have your own implementation, means you can add it. So that is also a part of the framework definition. So now we will see about the collection framework. So actually collections plays a part in the data. It tries to handle the complete group of data. So this architecture stores and manipulates the data. And then it supports and contains various things like interfaces, implementations, and best algorithms, and it supports various operations. Interfaces means we have already seen about the interface in detail in the previous videos. Interface, for example, if suppose there's a bank interface, in that bank interface there is an abstract method called add money. That method name itself defining the functionality is that method is used to add amount. But the implementation is not in that interface. Some class has to implement that interface and need to write the custom code. So that's the basic about the interface. We have already seen about interface in details in the previous videos. And then concrete implementations are provided for these interfaces. So for every interface there is some concrete implementation. If you don't like, and if suppose that implementation doesn't suit your use case, then you can write your own custom implementation. And then since this is an open source community, the algorithms are best algorithms used for these collections. If you have some other best algorithm, then you can also contribute to the community. And then operations, there are various operations supported like add, delete, search, and etc. So these are all bundled under a single name called collection framework. So we'll talk more about this in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. At the end of this video, you see the channel icon here. Please click on that for subscribing the channel.